What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Nash, and today we're going to be talking about holiday stocks, right? These are stocks that have a history of performing really well when it comes to the holidays. Since the holidays are coming up, we got Thanksgiving, Christmas, and a bunch of other holidays that, I can't remember right now. But the point is, we're going to be looking into these stocks. And one thing that you have to know, though, is that based on history, these companies have done really well when it comes to how they perform during the holiday season. So, for example, I'm going to mention this later on, but Amazon, for example, it's known to perform really well when it comes to the holidays, especially Christmas. A lot of people order gifts on Amazon. So if you go back to the basics of stocks, you're going to realize that the more money a company makes, that's the more value that they have, and the stock price goes up with the value, right? All right, so putting this into perspective, you're going to realize that during the holidays, Amazon is making money, and as they are making that money, the value is going to go up and the stock price is going to go up as well. So that's how you get that gain. But the thing is, everyone pretty much knows that it happens every year. So it's pretty much priced in. So one thing that you're not going to see is going to be like maybe a 20% gain, because everyone knows that these stocks are going to do well during the holidays. So it's not like a surprise that, everyone is surprised this company is doing really well, and everyone starts buying it because it's doing well, and that just drives the stock price up. So everyone knows that these companies do well. So you're not going to see like a huge gain. But however, these are great companies to hold over the years. You don't have to purchase these companies when it comes to the holidays, only you can hold this the entire year. So the longer you hold these companies, you're going to get the maximum return. Most of the time, you're going to have a bigger return compared to someone who just buys the stock right before the holidays, right? Because you have more time in the market. It's not about timing the market, it's how much time you are in the market. So the longer you are in there, the more money you're going to make, right? So don't just try to time the holidays. These are great companies to hold over the years. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and divide these stocks into 3 different industries or categories, and we're going to break it down from there. So the first one is going to be the retail industry. So this is where Amazon comes in, right? So these companies are going to be pretty much where everyone purchases stuff, right? So we have Amazon, which is probably one of the best ones out there, and the others are going to be Shopify, eBay, and Walmart. Those are going to be great buys when it comes to retail. This is because the sales tend to go up when it comes to the holiday season, because people are purchasing a lot of stuff for the holidays. All right, so the next one is going to be the transportation industry or category. So this is kind of connected to the retail industry, because most of the time you're not going to go to an Amazon shop because they don't have one, unless they do now. But as far as I know, they don't have a physical store where you can just walk in and purchase stuff, right? You have to buy it on the website, and when you purchase your product, it has to get to you somehow. And this is where this transportation delivery industry comes in, right? And 2 of the biggest companies in this industry are going to be UPS and FedEx. So those are, literally the best ones that are doing it, right? So when you purchase your stuff from eBay, when you purchase it from Shopify, when you purchase it from Amazon, it's going to need to be delivered to you. And I believe Walmart has delivery too. So you can see that these 2 things are connected, the retail industry and the transportation, right? Because you purchase it, it has to get to you somehow. And the way the transportation industry makes money is going to be through whenever you pay the shipping and handling fees. That is going to be part of their revenue. So it's kind of like connected. Both of those are connected. And for the last one, it's not really an industry. It's kind of like just a category, which is going to be trending. This is where you might have a bigger gain, because when something is trending, it's usually going to get overpriced. So for this one, I have 2 examples. There's probably way more because I don't really keep up with the trends. But one of the things that is trending right now is going to be the PS5. And the company Sony owns the PS5. And this is something that everyone is getting. There's shortages, everyone is excited about the PS5. A lot of people are going to be getting it for Christmas as gifts. So based on that, you're going to see those sales drive up, right? And the other one is going to be Xbox, which is owned by Microsoft. And it's pretty much the same thing as Sony. So those are the 2 trends that I can think of. There's obviously way more. And, if you can identify those, let me know in the comment section below. But with that being said, that is pretty much it for this video. Let me know if you want to add anything else to this, or if I missed anything. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.